This camera-shaped house in Karnataka's Belgavi district belongs to Ravi Hongal, a professional photographer. He built this home to express his love for photography. Not only that, can you guess his sons' names? Meet Canon, Nikon and Epson. The house, which is named Click, was built at a cost of 71 lakh rupees. While the first floor has the elements of an Epson printer, the second has the body of a Nikon camera and the third floor has the flash of the Canon camera. The 3 floors represent Ravi's 3 sons. One can also notice a lens, a memory card and a show reel on the exterior of the house. The interior design also includes parts of a camera. Though it took 2.5 years to turn his dream home into reality, Ravi is happy that he has achieved his goal.
My dears, today I am starting another segment theme for you in photography. Today I am going to talk to you regarding photography, that is black and white and color. You know children, black and white is a very famous photography. During the period of time when this black and white was invented, rather photography invented at the time, this was the only famous for photography. No big difference between black and white and color photography. There is no difference between black and white and color photography, because for both the cases you have to press the clicker for getting the picture inside the camera. Now what's the phenomena actually in black and white? In black and white we get only 2 colors. One is black and one is... You are able to understand the image formation, how image is forming inside the camera through the lens. Now you see this is black and white. No other color you will find. But the same picture if you find in other side, you see how beautiful the colors in the picture is coming. When this black color helps us to draw the image on the surface of white inside the camera, on film or on paper, it depends upon the camera, then we get this image according to the layer of our film or paper. If we put, many of you might be not aware that black and white photography and color photography both you can do by same camera. We do not change camera. It's not like this that earlier the camera was something else, that's why we were not able to do color photography, or nowadays the camera has come by which you can do color photography. It's not like this. By the same camera you can do black and white photography and color photography. For black and white photography we need a film or paper which is layered of only single, that is made for black and white. We talk about the black and white. See the beauty of it. It's a film. This is roll film which is used in camera. These are the film strips. These are films of black and white but very beautiful colorful when it is put it inside the camera. It gives feelings of color, but it used to produce only black and white. These are the varieties of films. There are black and white, color, and different speed of film. This is a picture of black and white of this era, and now you see this beautiful black and white picture, the reflection which you are viewing. But for color we need a layer of color also along with the black and white. Now the phenomena has started as well as from the era of photography invention, that when the light principle comes or involved with photography, the scientists come to know that there are few materials which is affected by light, or rather you can say that light reaction take place in some of the chemical substances. Now what happened is a plain surface, any of the chemical. In that chemical, if light fall, it react, and as it react, what happen? We get a mark. As well as on the board, if we write by the help of any chalk, then what is going to happen? We used to get a mark. That mark we say it is writing, but we cannot write by the help of any same color of chalk, same color of pen, same color of any dye or any pencil. If we write by the same color, then what is going to happen? It will match with that. If we are using this surface, this is bluish, and if we write by the same color, then what is going to happen? It will not depict. But in case of black and white, what happens? That person, that place, that object which is deep, which is strong with its color, it used to give black, and rest of the portion becomes white. Now let me tell you in details a little more about it. First of all, when we click a picture, you know it very well that we need a light. That light used to falls on the object, that object reflect, and we get the picture inside the camera. Now when light enters inside the camera, at that time it receive the reflection of light of the object which is in front of the camera. Now when this camera is receiving the light, how the reflection comes inside the camera, that you should know. If the light is falling in front of the object, then what is happening? That object is reflecting light. That light which is reflecting from the object, it depends on the object only, because light is falling same. If there is an object which is deep and light, for both the cases the light is reflecting and light is falling on that particular part of the object same. Suppose there is a frame. There is a frame, in that frame light is falling. When the light is falling in that frame, at that time light is not falling separately, upside something else, downside something else. When it is falling same way in the A and B, so the reflection will be same. But it will not same, because when the light is falling on this surface which is deep, it will reflect less amount of light, because the reflection capacity of that particular area is less. Whereas the light which will be falling on the surface which is lighter, not deep, then what is going to happen? It will reflect more light. Or some of your friend is wearing another shirt or t-shirt which is in different color. You will find yourself the color, if the color is difference and the color which you are wearing, that is light shade, that is yellow color, light blue color, white color, orange color, this type of light color, then what is going to happen? The color which will reflect, it will be more. Then if you wear deep color shirt, deep blue, deep black, deep brown, then what you are going to get? You are going to get the reflection less from that. Why? Because as much as deep color will be there, you are going to get less reflection, because deep color used to receive the light more, reflect the light less. Whereas we need to see the object same amount of light for both the object. Now what is happening? Light is falling on the same object, but in that same object, if the different part is in different color, it will differ its reflection, and then only we will able to get the image different way. Now I am making you more I am going to make you more understand more better way. Suppose you are wearing a deep shirt, black shirt. Suppose it's a red shirt or red shirt. The reflection of this shirt will be more, because it is not that much deep. It depends on that. I am talking about black and white. Once more I am telling you, I am talking about only black and white right now. Once you understand black and white, you will be able to understand the rest of the things. If a deep color is reflecting by any light source, it will absorb some light and it will reflect less amount of light. If it is deep, that means maybe it is black, maybe it is brown, maybe it is deep blue, but that color reflection capacity, that color's reflection capacity depends on now. If 100 light is falling on the object, in that object, if 80 is reflecting, then that 80 will give the image, and from that 80, If deep color reflecting 40 and bright color reflecting 80, then what is going to happen? We are going to get 80-40. Now children, when it is 80-40, at that time what is going to happen? The image which will form inside the camera, it will be 80-40. Now listen it very carefully. When it is 80-40, at that time, if you are using any negative, if you are using any film, at that time what is going to happen? The portion where it is getting 80% reflection, then what is going to happen? You are going to get more reaction. Where it is reflecting 60% or 40%, you are going to get less reaction. When these two will be react less or more, then as much as reaction will take place, that part of the film is going to become deep in black. Understood? If the hair is reflecting less amount of light, that is black part, many of the negative you must have seen. If you have seen any negative, you will find, if you go to your mobile phone or any camera, if there is any apps by which you are able to see the object in negative formation, once you click and see the negative formation, you will find out the hairs which is black in color, it used to reflect less light. So when it reflects less light, what is going to happen? You are going to get less reflection, less reaction as well as. Less reaction, when the less reaction will take place, then what is going to happen? You are going to get that part where the film or the light supposed to react. Less reactive means in that part you will find no image. White is type of image, but whereas the reflection is more, suppose you are wearing white shirt, then this is black, this is white, then what is going to happen? This white is going to reflect more, the reaction will be more. As much as reaction will be there, the chemical which is layered on the film is going to react more. As much as reaction will take place, it will dissolve in the chemical. Then what is going to happen? It will dissolve. That if dissolve, then you are going to get white or black. You are going to get black on that part. As much as reaction will take place, that much dip or reaction will be appear in your negative by dip color. If it is black and white, you are going to get more black, because if the reflection is more, then you are going to get deep in color. So white color shirt will become black color in negative. What's the formation? Now what's the formation? Formation is that when that film is going to come in front of any light source, then what is going to happen? When it will pass through it, then you are going to get that part where light is able to go through, that is white part, that is hairs. Now where the hairs are there, by that or through that part, if you pass a slide, then the surface where you will hold it, another paper where you will print out, there what is going to happen? It is going to react more, whereas the shot which was white, it gets now black in negative. Now when you will pass light, it will allow less light because it is black. Now what is going to happen? That part which was black in negative, it becomes white, and when you will pass light through it, that white part or the and the object which is black, it is going to pass less light. So you will hold it there, less amount of light. So where the reaction going to take place less, you are going to get white image, which is the original of the object. The color which was white in negative, it passes more light, so you are going to get black, as well as the object originally was while clicking the picture. Come to the point, that is color. Black and white and color both work same way. But what is the difference between these two? In black and white, it used to react only by the help of one line, that is black. Where the light falls, it becomes black. But in color, we use color dyes. There are three colors, which is called primary color. We use this color for our photography purpose, that is red, green and blue. These three dyes mixed with the black and white solution, and it is prepared inside the dark room. And after that, when light falls on the object, we put it inside the camera, this film. I am talking about film. In that film, that reaction take place. Whatever color is there, it reflect that light, but negative is unable to touch that light. Why? Because that light react inside the camera. But when you develop that, what happens? Those colors which react inside, it dissolve. Instead of that, what happens? We get just opposite color of those colors. We do not get same color. That is why it is called negative. Suppose you are clicking a picture of red rose. Opposite of red is cyan, a bluish type tone. Then when you will develop it, you will find that part which is blue or cyan is not going to allow this color to the surface where you are making positive. So in case of positive, what happened? Now when we are passing light through the negative, it is absorbing that color which is there in the negative. It is throwing other color, and the reaction will take place according to that. So my dears, there are films for black and white. There is no separate camera for black and white or color photography. There are separate color film for color photography. Another thing, in black and white, deep colors appear as deep color, that is black, and light colors appear light color as white. But in color, whatever color we see, in object while clicking, it does not appear in negative, and from the negative, when we develop this as a positive, we get opposite of that, that is original of that object. That means it doesn't appear the color which is situated in the negative. Okay, now when you are doing photography nowadays by the help of your digital camera, you are getting the facility for converting the image into its own color, because there are so many sensors inside the mobile phone camera or nowadays the cameras. If you have any film camera, though film camera nowadays is not available for use, but in film camera, if you use any film, there you will find the black and white and colors, both are separate. In digital camera, due to sensors, you are able to view the object as original before clicking and after clicking. Now, you must do some photography and take part in the various competitions. At least you can start from home, that is DPS Bokaro. We are facilitated, we are obliged to the school for having this facility for us. Anybody, those who are related to it, those who are in the school, they all can take part. 6 to 12, all the children. Log in to click of the month, and you must send your photograph at contest.dpsbokaro@gmail.com. You must take part in the competition, and you will be felicitated and you will be judged with the help of your photograph, and you will able to get the chance to rectify yourself that the photography which you are doing value stands for. And you know it very well that participation is more important than the prize. You take part every time, every month you take part. You find out yourself the photograph, you are going to get absolutely result, and you should take a start and do photography. You must do photography. All the best.